told me your name. Girl, where you from? You said Kentucky, where them thoroughbreds run. But we drank Tennessee, till we seen the sun.